Discover the gems, coastal marvels and cultural wonders of Cape Town by BL Images. Greetings, fellow adventurers. Kaylee here, and today's journey promises a feast for the senses as we traverse the coastal wonders and cultural gems of Cape Town. Are you ready to explore Muizenberg Beach, encounter sharks, and dive into the rich history of this vibrant city? Let's dive in. Our adventure kicks off at the iconic Muizenberg Beach, where golden sands meet vibrant beach culture. Join me as we catch some waves, explore the colorful beach huts, and soak up the laid-back atmosphere that defines Muizenberg. Next, we'll join the incredible shark spotters, safeguarding both humans and sharks along the Cape Town coastline. Experience the thrill of spotting these majestic creatures from the heights, ensuring a harmonious coexistence between man and shark. Our coastal exploration takes us to the quaint charm of Kalk Bay, where historic architecture meets artistic flair. We'll then venture to Glen Ken, a coastal gem with stunning views. Join me for a leisurely stroll through these picturesque havens. Discover the maritime history of Simonstown before we journey to the legendary Cape of Good Hope. Stand at the southwestern tip of Africa, where the Atlantic and Indian Oceans converge, and soak in the breathtaking views that have captivated explorers for centuries. Our adventure takes an enchanting turn as we board the Franschhoek wine tram, winding through vineyards and sampling exquisite wines. Later, we'll explore the cultural richness of Franschhoek town, known for its art galleries, charming boutiques, and culinary delights. Journey with me to Drakenstein, a place of historical significance where Nelson Mandela spent crucial moments. We'll explore the surroundings, learn about Mandela's legacy, and reflect on the transformative history of South Africa. Immerse yourself in the maritime charm of Marine's Wharf, where seafood delights and nautical vibes meet. Then, brace yourselves for an ocean safari to Sea Island, encountering the playful seals in their natural habitat. Our adventure continues as we visit the Cape Town Ostrich Farm, where these magnificent birds steal the spotlight. Later, we'll venture to a reptile rehabilitation center, learning about the conservation efforts for these fascinating creatures. As we drive, be captivated by the vibrant African art scattered along our route. Join me in appreciating the creativity and cultural expressions that line the roads of Cape Town. What an incredible journey through the coastal and cultural wonders of Cape Town. If you've enjoyed this immersive exploration, Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Until our next adventure, may your travels be filled with wonder and discovery.